I thought I'd do a quick video on the Nextbase dashcam. Don't really do videos. I know I did a video on a dashcam just on the box, just showing the box and what's inside the box, what comes with it. Don't really make no money out of these videos or anything like that. It was just something fun that I made the account and just did a few things. Never really updated it or anything. So I just added that onto my account, that video, and I realized some of you weren't happy that I never really showed the installation or something. So, but anyway, I'll just quickly show you what I did. It's my daughter's car, and I installed it for it took less than 10 minutes. This is the power cable. I put it under the trim, all the way round there, around the side here. There it is. It's very easy, to be honest. You just push it in under the trim and just comes under there, and I put it through here, up there, around here, and into the cigarette lighter there. And then the reverse camera cable, which is this one here, which connects onto here. And this is the mount. If you buy the package, the one that I bought that you saw in the previous video, it comes with the mount. Otherwise you have to buy this mount separately. It's about £20 from Halfords. But I bought the package deal with the reverse camera, and the dash cam itself, and the memory stick and a memory card, and they give you this mount with it. And a lot of people have complained that if you don't have this mount, and if you just use a normal sticker pad that comes, it falls off or something. But I went for obviously the package deal, and it came with this mount. It's very sturdy, doesn't really come off. And the reverse camera cable, which is this one here, that goes under the trim here, under the trim there, all along here. It's very easy, and like I said, it took me less than 10 minutes. And I just push it in there, up along here, along there, all along there. And I had a lot of cable at the back there spare, so I just put it on the side there, and under the trim there, and there it comes out, and I just put it onto the back window. And that is it really. It takes less than 10 minutes. Very easy if you know what you're doing. I'm sure you know how, you'll know once you do it. You'll know how easy it is. And that is it, folks. Thanks for watching. Like I said, don't really do these videos. Sorry if I couldn't put it across properly, but anyway, thanks. Alright guys, I thought I'd just show you the back bit here too. So I just added this video onto that previous video. So yeah, you can see there, just go through this under there, under that rubber there, and it comes out. And yeah, the spare cable, I just pushed it down here, just on the side of the seat here. So it sits in there nice firmly. That is it really.